Hello students, so this is the third experiment of electrical lab, Kirchhoff's laws. So before going to this experiment, we will see what is multimeter and breadboard and how it works. So this is the multimeter and these are the connectors. These are the two probes. By using this multimeter, we can measure current, voltage, resistance, capacitance. This is the breadboard. So here we can do parallel connections and here we can do series connections. See, as I have connected here resistors. So these are in parallel. Both resistors are in parallel. And here if you want to connect, you can do here connection like this. See, like this. Here you will be doing connection like this. So this is the series. Usually we are using only these parallel connections to do the connections. See. So we are doing now Kirchhoff's current law, that is algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a node is 0 in any electrical circuits, right? So apparatus used in this circuit are ammeter, DC ammeters and breadboard, power, DC power supply and multimeter and resistors. So these are the connections I have done. So see, this resistor is connected to the multimeter A1, to the positive end of A1, and from negative end of A1 we have connected to the one ground connection where we are doing it common connection by using A1, connect A1, A2 and A3. So here resistors, this is the 220 ohms resistors which we are connected to the 1 kilo ohm resistor, and here from 1 kilo ohm resistor we have connected to the ammeter, DC ammeter, that is A2, and from power supply we have connected one positive terminal to the resistor, to 330 ohms resistor here, and from negative to the 1 kilo ohm. So these are the connections. So these are the connections of this experiment. So now we'll see the output of this experiment. So here we'll keep it DC power supply. We'll keep it in 5 volts. See, and we'll see the reading. See, as you can see here, emitters are reflected, right? Here pointers you can see. So we'll take the readings now, and for taking readings we are noting it down in a tabular column, the readings. So this is the tabular column of KCL. So voltage for 5 volt, it is I1 is equals to 3.5 and I2 is equals to 1.5 and here 1.5, and we will calculate this I1 is equals to I2 plus I3. So I2 plus I3 is 3.5 and theoretical value is 3.5. Hence we have proved the KCL statement here, right?